Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off sensitive content on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So what you'll need to do is open up the app, click on your profile icon on the top left, then if you scroll down you should see settings and support at the bottom, so just click on there. Then you want to go to settings and privacy. Then you should see privacy and safety near the middle, so just select that. And then again in the middle you should see content you see, so just click on that. And at the top it'll just let you know display media that may contain sensitive content, so you can obviously either toggle that on or toggle it off. And you can also go to search settings, and at the top it'll just say hide sensitive content. This prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. So again, you can just toggle that on or off, and that's how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Thanks for watching.